Crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video for Pixie Dust Designs. Today we are going to do the Christmas in July showcase. I'm going to show you the products in the new Christmas in July release that just came out. Alright, and I will pop up images from the design team of projects that they have made using the new product. So we're going to start off with looking at the gingerbread bakery die set. And you can create, you have a cutting board, some gingerbread men and girls. You have the outfits along with their decorations. We have the cake, the spatula and decorating supplies. You have a rolling pin, a spatula, another spatula, a spoon or a scoop, and an oven mitt. You have some Christmas cookies, a gingerbread house, some you have a little chef hat up there, and the little icing pieces. You have some candy canes to make little cookies. I will pop up some projects right there from the design team. All right, moving on to our next die set. We have the Snowman Pocket Tag Set. The next three die sets are great for tags or ornaments for your Christmas tree or gift card holders. So here's what our little snowman tag looks like. Again, there will be images from the design team right following. Also, just as a reminder, there are bundles available of certain items. I think the tag sets are in a bundle along with some of the other products, or you can get the mega bundle that has everything, as well as purchasing items individually on the website. Our next product is the Santa Pocket Die Set. So you make a cute little Santa Claus tag, which is super cute. You have his little face, his beard, his little hat and body, and his little mustache and eyes, and the little pom-pom for the top of his head. All right, next we have the Mrs. Claus pocket tag. So you can have Mrs. Claus, Santa, and the snowman as little tags this year for your gifts. They're perfectly cute. You have everything in one set to make Mrs. Claus the little pocket tag. And here are some examples. All right, next up is a new add-on for the Slice of Cake box die set that came out last year. This is that set. You can buy this separately. It makes this little cake slice. If you remember last year, this came out around Halloween, September. We had a Dracula, a pumpkin, a mummy, Frankenstein. But you have this one that you want to purchase separately for the new add-on for Christmas, which is Santa and Reindeer Cake Layer die set. And you can take and use the Slice of Cake box die set and create a beautiful Santa Claus gift box and a reindeer. So here are some projects for that. Now, we have the Christmas Cane Companion die set. And this die set is a fun one. If you like to make little gifts for teachers or grandkids or little festive ornaments that you can hang on your tree, or if you like to do special little gifts, or if you're making little gifts for craft fairs to sell, this is a great set to get. You can take and make different little candy cane holders in two different elves. You have a male elf, a female elf, Santa, Mrs. Claus, and a reindeer. And then you have two ways to put on your candy canes. You can have one that has a little box that you can slide it in, or you can have like a little candy cane holder, which is this die right here. You can slide your candy cane inside of it, or you can make this one and put it on the back and make it into a box where you can just slide it in. I think that would also be great for pencils as well. So there is the Christmas Cane Companion die set. And again, I will pop images right there from the design team of what they made. All right, next we have Mrs. Claus's Kitchen die set. And this is probably one of my favorites because you can create Mrs. Claus and her baking attire where she is baking Christmas cookies. We have a tray, some Christmas cookies, a little gingerbread cookie, a whisk, a candy cane, and a rolling pin, along with Mrs. Claus to create a fun element for your card. Or it can also go on to the next project as well. Or next, one of the other die sets back here to create an element for that. And also, it would be great to add on with the gingerbread bakery die set. You can get even more out of that and have a whole baking theme. All right, our next die set is the Santa and Elf Topper die set. You can make a bag topper with Santa or an elf. And then you're going to want to grab, but these are sold separately. You have the handles. So you can make it into a bag topper or make it into a little bag. Because you're going to want to get the... To make the little handles, we have the interchangeable oval bag topper, the interchangeable bracket bag topper, and the interchangeable heart bag topper. They are sold separately that you can purchase to get into this. And this is in a bundle by itself. You can get on the website under bundles. You can check that out. And you can also add in the box mechanism dies to any of these to create a box for each one of those. So there is that. That's a separate purchase. And then with our final die set this month is the Holiday Snack Treat Box. And it creates this gorgeous treat box. And you can see we have used the interchangeable bag toppers for those as well. But this is also designed so that you can make it into a cocoa gift bag or gift little box that stands up all over on its own. So you can add, it has that little, this right here makes the part that makes it stand, as well as our little pockets. There is our little pocket right there, and you can, has a stitch die that you can create for the front, and one for the back right there. So it's going to be a fun die set. The design team knocked it out of the park. Here are some examples of that. All right, so to recap, we have the box mechanism 1 die set that can be used on any of our dies to create a fun gift box. We have the Santa and Elf Topper die set, the Holiday Snack Treat box die set, Miss Claus's Kitchen, along with the Gingerbread Bakery die set, and the Christmas Cane Companion set. We have our 3 tag sets, the Snowman Pocket Tag, the Santa Pocket Tag, along with the Mrs. Claus Pocket Tag. And we have our new add-on for the Slice of Cake die set, which is Santa and Reindeer Cake Layer. If you need any of the products, they're all linked and listed in the video description below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, stay crafty, love you.